Hey guys, it's Ica and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do another Amazon must-haves or Amazon faves video, but instead of just like regular stuff, I wanted to do it for a snowboarder. You probably don't know, but I actually love to snowboard. I've only been doing it for about 8 years, but pretty much during winter time, that's all I do, or that's what I try to do. So I want to share you guys a few things that I picked up from Amazon myself that I love the product. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to talk about is the bib I got from Amazon. I don't have it with me right now because it's already put away for the season, but it's a pretty good deal. I think it's like $55–$60, and if you look anywhere else, they're about like $200. So I'm like, I can't afford that. So I'm gonna put a picture here what it looks like, but it's pretty good. I find that the sizing is a little bit weird, like on the crotch area, but it works fine. Now the second thing I want to show you are my knee pads. So this is what they look like. They're pretty, like, the foam is pretty thick, I would say, and I actually love them so much because I don't worry about falling forward and hitting my knee anymore. Because this absorbs so much of the shock, and also even just like kneeling in general, not falling, like it's awesome. Yeah. And these are only like $16, so it was such a good deal. The next thing I wanted to show you guys is the butt pads that I got from Amazon. And initially I wanted to get some from Burton, but they were like $120–$130. So I checked Amazon and they actually had one that was pretty good, and the brand is called Benkin. I don't know, I've never heard of this brand before, but it's super comfortable. I don't have any problems wearing it. It has like pads literally even on your lower back area, and obviously like literally around everywhere, and at the front there's no pads. I think they're unisex size though, so I think I got a medium and they fit perfectly fine for me. And I am more comfortable going in a park and like doing jumps and boxes and rails and stuff like that because I have this and I know I'm gonna be kind of safe if I do fall. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, it actually also came with a case, so you can put it in here. Let's do that right now actually. Oh yeah, so I actually did get medium because it says right here. So it comes in its own case and it's like easy to store too, so it's awesome. Next I wanted to show you is the black strap Balaclava. Am I saying it right? I don't know. This one I actually haven't used yet. I find like this winter was a little too warm or hot that I didn't need to wear this. But yeah, Kevin from Snowboard Pro Camp he always wears black straps, so I picked one up and I picked the adult size. There's also a children's size and I was debating if I should get that one because I have a really small head, but this one fits fine. The only thing is, like, for female snowboarders, I feel like with the hair it might be a little bit harder to wear because, to be honest, like when I tried it on I didn't know where to put my hair because it's obviously like closed everywhere except for like this area right here. But I just tried it on. I haven't actually worn it out yet, but I'm excited too. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is something I'm really excited about. So okay, so let me just show you first. So I got these goggles from obviously Amazon, and the brand is called Outdoor Master, and I think I found this from another snowboarder that makes YouTube videos. I just can't remember who it was. It might be Jonathan Buck something, I don't know. But okay, so my story with goggles is I've had Spy for the last 6 years, and it came to a point that I need to replace it because the lenses are so scratched up. And for me, I need something that I can replace the lens between, you know, something that I can use in the day and then something I can use at night. So this one, I actually bought 2 lenses already. So you can pick the color of the strap, like the base, and then obviously the lens colors depends on the VLH, and I think it's VLH, yeah, and like what time of day and what the condition is outside, like where you can use it. So this one is something what I would use pretty much throughout the day, and if I ever need to change it at night, then I would use this one here. So this would have a lower VLH. I think that's how it works. I'm gonna have to like look at it again and then just like add it in the comments below, or I'll add it on a video right here. But I love it because it's magnetic and you literally just like pull it out and then it comes off like right away. And I haven't had it like come off, like fly off while I'm out, so that's good. But if I try to take it out, then it comes off easily. And then this just literally just snaps on. It's like amazing. So this is what I use at night. It also comes with, so obviously I got 2 lenses, so I get a case for one and then another one obviously, and the actual goggles comes with this case and it's padded, so if you just put it in your bag, like you don't have to worry about it like getting scratched or like, well, I don't think it'll break because, well, actually I don't know, but yeah, you don't have to worry about it. Anyway, so that's pretty much like my favorites that I got from Amazon. The only thing is the goggles I actually had to buy from Amazon US because Canada didn't have it, so it was a little bit more expensive. And I just wanted to mention a couple other things that I haven't personally purchased myself, but something that, like, you know, I'm looking through Amazon, I'm like, oh, I think this is such a good buy, but I wouldn't buy it because I already have something like that. And first one is like the snowboard bags, and I saw some really good stuff in there that are, you know, pretty decent prices, so I'm going to show some over here. And then also at the same time, what else is on my list? Oh, beanies, because I love my beanies, and my helmet is actually, okay, like I said, I have a small head, so my helmet right now is a Solomon, and it's an extra small, and I still have to wear a beanie inside so that it fits properly. So I always have to wear a beanie, and this is because like I need it for the cold and also to make my helmet fit, and I saw like really good beanies like on Amazon, that's why I wanted to mention it. So that is it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you found it helpful. I'm going to link everything down below so you can find it easily. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. So, oh, shit.